and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with a new subscription box. I saw this on Facebook. They were advertising it, and I passed it by a little bit, a couple of months. Then I'm like, maybe I should try it out. I don't get my Ipsy box anymore, so I'm like, I need another box. You know, your girl needs another box. So I did go ahead and get this box. This is the Allure beauty box right here. This box, if I'm not mistaken, is $15 a month. I think there is some tax that they add on here, but I think it's overall like $16 and some change. You get it every month. I'm really new to this box, so I'm going to put the information down below if you are interested or not familiar with this box. But it is $15 a month, and basically there are beauty products in here. Not necessarily hair, but that's okay. I think I get enough hair boxes. But we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. When you first open the box, it looks like this. And it has a little booklet in it. And it has a beautiful lady on the front of it. And it says exclusive promo codes inside. And then you just open it. And it has like different products and things. I guess these are the products that will be in this box. So this is good information if you want to read it. If not, okay. So this is how the box is looking when you first open it. So we open it up, and these are all the products. It looks like a nice amount of products for $15. So let's just get into this box. So I'm going to sporadically pull out items for you. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a Giorgio Armani. This is an Intense Matte and Comfort Lip Color. Ooh, because y'all know I love me a lippy. So it looks like this. So I'm just going to take it out. And this is how the packaging looks, like this. Excuse my nails. I'm taking these off, y'all. But anyway, it's really small, but that's okay. And it's just a lippy in the inside. Really, really cute fall color. I'm really digging it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. It's like they know that your girl love a Maddie red, because they straight be sending me Maddie reds. It's just another Maddie red. That's just fire. It doesn't have a smell, but this is how it looks. That's a lot of product, so that can last me a little minute, a good minute. So this is the first product. And let me see if they have like prices on here. Okay, so for this first product, I guess this was like a freebie because it doesn't have a price as to how much it costs on here. But this is the first product right here. Just like a little tester. So the second thing we have is packaged like this. This is a Wander beauty product. It looks like this. And this is a Wander Beauty After Hour highlighter. And it says this highlighter is $30. I guess it's like for the full size, because I hope this ain't $30 because that's a lot of money. But it says you can get this from wanderbeauty.com, and it has promo codes if you would like to purchase this. But this is how the product is looking. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can kind of see or whatever, even though I'm giving it away. Okay. So this is how the highlighter is looking. It's really, really pretty. I don't want to swatch it, but it's really, really cute. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. So that's the second item, and again, it says for a full size one of these, it's $30. So the next thing we have is this Believe in Truth. This is a miracle rejuvenating eye cream, improves skin elasticity, dermatologist tested, and it's this little. Okay, and it says that this product is the original. Full size is $58 for this if you get it full size. And this is just the eye cream. Doesn't really have a smell. I am interested to use that, so that's really cool. I want to see what this is about. I love eye creams. But y'all see I got a little baggage going on. And I'm not no bag handler. So the next thing that I'm going to pull out is a brush. I have a brush in here. So I have this brush in the middle. This is the NYX makeup brush. And this is the one I have in the middle. It ranges from $14 to $17. It looks like this. I'm not going to open it because I'm giving it away, but this is how the brush looks. I heard really good things about these brushes, that these are really good brushes, and a lot of people wanted the one in the middle, and I got the one in the middle. So this will go in my giveaway, but really, really cool that I got this.
Can you open it first?
The next thing I have is a lip Maestro. I don't know. This is Giorgio Armani as well. Intense velvet color. It looks like this. I guess these were free because they said I would get some lippies free. So I got 2 lip items free, which I'm not mad at because your girl loves her a lippy. So we're going to go ahead and take it out. And it's really, really small. It looks like this. Really small. Oh, okay. I'm going to swatch it. It's really little, but that's okay. I love this color. This is the little applicator, and this is how it looks right here. That's really cute, and it looks moisturizing because it has a little shine to it. Okay. It doesn't smell bad at all. It's so little and cute. You can put this in your purse and just be on your way. So that's the next item, and that item was free, obviously. And then I have here a Bare Minerals. This is a skin product. A powder infusion. Okay, let me see. It says that original price is $58 for this. This is a bare minimum Skinology, whatever, powder infusion serum. So this is a serum. Entire neck and face. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. Okay. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to try it out. So this is how it's looking. This little bitty container. So I'm interested to try that. I love skincare. I'm always trying new things. So far we got a lot of products, and it's only $15, so I'm not mad at all. The next thing we have is an Olay. This is a night moisturizer, fragrance free. It looks like this. It says that this product is originally $34 for like a big one. Oh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because I am keeping this. If they do not stop playing, look at this box, y'all, and look at this. What is they doing? Yeah, they tried it. Look at this little box. Girl, what is you saying about this? So this is just a night moisturizer. This is how it looks. I'm interested to try it for one night. You know, look, I'm gonna try this. For a night. It's little. That's funny. They had this big box. I'm thinking I'm about to get something now. The next thing I have is a sheet mask. This is Super Beauty Tea Mask in a rose honey jarret. It looks like this with the little lips on there. Really, really cute. This is originally $3 for this. It's $3. It's a honey mask with tea in it. I'm excited. I guess I'll try this. I usually don't try masks, but I mean, why not? I can give it a go. So that's the next thing. The last thing we have in here is a Appeal Ultra Cream lipstick in the color Muse. Ooh, I love lipstick. This is how the packaging looks. This is so dope. It's so cute. I love the way this looks. It looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and open this because you already know your girl is keeping this. I love lipstick. I love lipstick. I love lipstick. I love lipstick. So this is how it looks. And you just take it out of there. Really pretty. And this is the lipstick color. Ooh. So let me just swatch it. It's kind of pink, but I think it can work. So it's the one at the bottom. I probably can do that. I can do that. But this is how it's looking. Really pretty. I love this packaging. Like, this is the cutest and appealing most lip gloss. You know, this is the cutest little packaging I done seen in lipstick. So this is really pretty. So we got this. We got the little mask. We got the brush. We got this little bitty thing right here, moisturizer. We got a lipstick. And another lipstick, and we got this little bare minimals thing, little thing. And then we got this little highlighter. So all those little products are pretty good for $15. I guess I'll have to get another box to see what's up with the what's up, but to me these were some really nice products to even just try out. Some really cute colors. So I appreciate the box. I feel like it was kind of worth it. You let me know down below. Those are all the products that I have for you. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs out there. Peace.